Have you ever felt that artificial intelligence is a magic solution that can instantly solve every business problem, create unlimited wealth, and replace human effort completely? But what if AI is not a miracle at all? What if it simply multiplies whatever strength or weakness already exists within you or your organization? In this video, we will explore why AI is a force multiplier, not a miracle, and what that truly means for success in today's world. Watch till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful insights like this. 1. AI multiplies existing skills. Artificial intelligence enhances the abilities you already possess rather than creating talent out of nothing. If you are a skilled writer, AI can help you draft faster, research deeper, and refine ideas more efficiently. If you lack clarity or creativity, the output will still reflect that limitation. The tool responds to your direction, your prompts, and your thinking patterns. It cannot replace foundational knowledge or discipline. 2. Clear strategy determines output. AI systems follow instructions and patterns, which means strategic clarity is essential. When goals are specific and well-defined, artificial intelligence can align processes efficiently. Without direction, results become scattered and inconsistent. Many organizations adopt AI expecting transformation, yet they fail to establish measurable objectives. Technology then produces activity without meaningful progress. A clear vision acts as a compass that guides automation and data analysis. 3. Good processes become great, bad processes become worse. Artificial intelligence strengthens the systems already in place. If workflows are efficient and customer-focused, AI can streamline operations and increase scale. If processes are disorganized, automation locks inefficiencies into place and spreads them faster. Technology follows design precisely without questioning logic. That means existing strengths are amplified, but so are hidden weaknesses. 4. Human judgment remains essential. AI can analyze large volumes of data, recognize patterns, and generate recommendations quickly. However, it lacks true understanding of context, emotion, and ethical nuance. Human judgment remains critical for interpreting outputs and making final decisions. When users treat AI as an unquestionable authority, they risk acting on incomplete or biased information. The technology calculates probabilities, not wisdom. 5. Talent still matters. Some believe AI eliminates the need for expertise, yet the opposite is often true. Skilled professionals know how to ask better questions, structure better inputs, and evaluate results more critically. Their knowledge allows them to guide AI effectively and extract meaningful insights. In contrast, inexperienced users may struggle to identify errors or limitations in generated outputs. Artificial intelligence accelerates productivity, but it does not automatically create mastery. 6. Data quality shapes results. AI systems rely heavily on data to function properly. When information is accurate, diverse, and relevant, outcomes improve significantly. When data is flawed or biased, the results reflect those weaknesses. Technology does not automatically correct poor input. Instead, it processes what it receives and scales it efficiently. Businesses that neglect data governance may experience amplified errors or distorted insights. 7. Ethics cannot be automated away. AI can automate decisions in hiring, lending, marketing, and many other areas. However, ethical responsibility remains with humans. Technology does not inherently understand fairness, empathy, or long-term social impact. If leaders prioritize profit over principle, AI may accelerate harmful outcomes. Bias within data or design can affect large groups quickly. Ethical guidelines must be clearly defined and consistently monitored. Responsible use of artificial intelligence requires transparency and accountability. 8. Innovation requires human creativity. Artificial intelligence can generate variations of existing ideas and identify patterns within data. Yet breakthrough innovation often begins with human curiosity and imagination. Creative thinking sets the stage for new possibilities, while AI helps explore and refine them. Relying solely on automated suggestions may limit originality. The most impactful advancements emerge when humans challenge assumptions and use technology as a collaborative partner. 9. Accountability cannot be delegated. When decisions are influenced by artificial intelligence, responsibility still belongs to the people deploying the system. It is easy to attribute mistakes to algorithms, yet humans design, train, and implement these tools. Treating AI as a miracle solution can create complacency. Leaders must monitor performance, review outcomes, and adjust systems continuously. Transparent oversight builds trust with customers and stakeholders. A force multiplier increases impact, which means accountability must also increase proportionally. 10. Preparation determines power. Artificial intelligence offers extraordinary leverage when combined with preparation and discipline. Clear goals, strong teams, reliable data, and ethical standards create an environment where AI can deliver exceptional value. Without preparation, technology becomes an expensive experiment with limited return. The multiplier effect rewards readiness. Those who invest in learning, planning, and refining processes experience accelerated growth. Those who ignore fundamentals encounter amplified challenges. It enhances what already exists. The future belongs to individuals and organizations that understand this principle and build strength before seeking scale. Artificial intelligence is one of the most transformative tools of our time, yet it is not magic, and it is not a shortcut to instant success. It multiplies effort, strategy, talent, and even mistakes. The real advantage comes from combining strong fundamentals with intelligent technology. Use AI wisely, prepare carefully, and lead responsibly. If this perspective helped you think differently, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights that empower you to grow in the age of technology. Thank you for watching.